how to run TikTok ads for your Shopify store. So in this video, I'm going to explain to you how you can make a TikTok advertisement for your Shopify products or Shopify store URL. So TikTok has been one of the fastest growing social media lately, and a study actually conducted by TikTok said that buyers who are watching a video on your product in TikTok is 1.5 times more likely to buy the product that they watch in TikTok. So if you haven't been considering TikTok as one of your marketing stream, then you're really missing out. In this video, I'm going to explain to you two ways that you can set up and run a TikTok advertisement for your Shopify. So the first uh, method is from the Shopify itself. Now, one thing to note here is that you need to have the TikTok app installed on your Shopify, and you also need a TikTok business account. If you haven't created a TikTok business account already, I've already made a video explaining to you how to do so and connecting it to Shopify. Go to business.tiktok.com, and in this website, you should be able to get started in creating your TikTok business account. All right, so let's get into it. Now, once you've set up your TikTok and Shopify and they're both connected, you can click Create Campaign here in the TikTok sales channels and then click Create Campaign. And what this does is that it will bring the TikTok Smart Performance campaign, which allows you to create a TikTok ad campaign just as easy as you would create a normal TikTok video of in your personal account. So this activity name will be your advertisement name. So for example, I want here to be my advertisement will be a launching 2024, and the menu under here will allow you to select between to promote a single product, your collection, or your entire homepage. So this will determine which link redirects to when your viewer of your TikTok ads clicks on the call to action button. So you can choose your single product, which will lead to your single products page. You can also link your collection page, and you can link to your homepage. In this case, I just want to build my brand awareness, so I'm just going to choose the homepage menu here so that when the TikTok viewer clicks the call to action button, it will redirect them to my Shopify page and in turn creating traffic. So I'll choose homepage here, and on the menu below is the ad creation menu. As you see here, you can upload an already made video if you've already made a specific video for your advertisement, or you can click generate videos, which will create a video from your media uploaded, just like when you want to create a TikTok content in your organic personal TikTok account. So I'm going to upload my sample media here. Keep in mind that you do need to make sure that your video size is correct according to TikTok technical guidelines. You can look it up, but the general idea here is that TikTok being a vertical media, you should have a media that is 1080 times 1920, which is 9:16 aspect ratio. You can choose the music to be dynamic or peaceful. TikTok will create this to you. You can set the opening frame and the final frame. In this case, I'm going to add a system generated opening frame and also a system generated final frame for my advertisement video. And the call to action text is, I'm just going to call it explore because again, I only want to raise traffic and awareness for my brand. And the video caption will be explore our new sunglasses, maybe. All right, once I'm done in the video settings in the video generator here, I'm going to click generate video. Oh, never mind. Let's change it and let's go to custom, maybe. The opening frame caption, I'm just gonna call this newest, greatest sunglasses. Okay, and the final frame will be explore. I think that's it. Okay, let's click generate video, and it will generate a content for me. So of course, obviously, I already added a sample footage here, but this will come to life if you've added your content videos. Okay, let's click add, and it will generate the video for me from my uploaded media. And my ad text, if you so choose to have an ad text, I will make this, let's just say, best fashionable sunglasses. All right. Okay, so what's under there is the advanced settings. You can change the display name of your store, and you can add a profile image if you want. So this profile image here will replace my a TikTok profile over here. So the cool thing about this is that it will preview your content, which will be displayed on TikTok. Okay, so next is the targeting. You can target from location here. I'll just select all, just for example. Generally, you want this to be still broad, but not too specific or niche. Or if you want to have an international business, then of course you click all countries. But if you want to sell locally, then just choose your location that is closest to you. Okay, so next is the optimization event. You can optimize your TikTok advertisement from the outcome that you want them to be. So TikTok will smartly configure your advertisement settings, so it will optimize between if you want the viewer of your advertisement to have a complete payment, or just to view the content, or just to add to cart, add payment info, and etc. In this case, I just want them to be curious about my brand, so I'll click search, so that after they see my content, they will be more encouraged to search my brand. Next is the daily budget and your local currency. In this case here, I have my local currency, and I'll just leave my budget as so. Next is the schedule. I can either run it continuously until I stop it, or I can set a schedule start and end time. Okay, now after this, you can just click submit, and the TikTok team will preview and approve your advertisement for you. In this case, I'm just going to leave it so. Okay, so the next step, the next method is you go to your TikTok Business Center and you enter your Business Center, and you do basically the exact same thing with the advertiser account that you have. If you haven't already, go ahead and create one. I already have mine here. I'll go ahead and open my ads manager, and in the TikTok ads manager, you click create ad, and this menu will be about the same as the previous one that we did in Shopify. The only difference is in the last page, which is the create ad, you will want to add the call to action button to go to the link, whatever link on Shopify that you want. So for example here, if I want the homepage to be redirected to if the viewer of my TikTok advertisement clicks my ad, then I can just go to copy paste my homepage URL. You can search it in the Shopify dashboard settings. When you click settings, it will show on the very top of the settings menu. You can do it. I trust you, and good luck. Thank you.